Hey guys, welcome to the next part of the video. So let's get started. Number 24, hide cell contents from view. Now you can hide cell contents by changing the font color to match the background like this. But if you have got lots of different color backgrounds, it doesn't work quite so easily. Instead, what you can do is select the text or the values you want to hide, then press Ctrl on for the Format Cells dialog box. Inside number, click once on custom and then change the type, delete this, general, and replace with 3 semicolons. Colon, semicolon, semicolon. When you click OK, you see the text has gone. The reason this worked because custom number format sections. Positive number 1 is positive numbers separated by a semicolon. Number 2 negative numbers. Number 3 zero numbers. Number 4 text. So when you just use 3 semicolons, you are saying you don't want to show anything for positive, anything for negative, anything for zero, or anything for text. That's why 3 semicolons hide all values. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video. Stay connected with us to watch more videos like this. Have a great day.